Technology is really a bomb. So much so that it now allows us to earn money online in the comfort of our own homes. Hello and welcome back to the Meta-uverse. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online for free by using this Google trick. So let's start with step 1, which is to go to news.google.com. It will take you to Google News, a site made by Google that collects news from all over the world and makes it easy to find what's new. At the top of the screen, you can see categories such as your country, what's going on in the world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you click on business here, you can see the latest business news from your country or from all over the world. The second step is to send out new articles and new updates every couple of hours. In this case, the articles and news updates will be about business. Open the latest news to find out how to make money online with any of these articles. All we have to do is click on this story, which will take us to the article's website. As you can see, I'll go into a lot of detail about how to make money in this whole video. Please copy this article to move on to the next step. For this video, I'll only copy and paste the first 2 sentences of this post to show how this actually works and how you can make money off of these Google News articles. You only need to go to quillbot.com to move on to step 3. Quillbot.com is a free online tool that can help you rewrite these kinds of articles. You can use them often to make money online because they are free. Copy and paste whatever you want into this box. Then click OK or paraphrase to rebuild the whole thing. The best part is that it doesn't cost anything. On the left is the rewritten article, which is now clear and ready to be used. I can now copy this updated post with just one click and use it to make money online. All of the other articles in Google News are written the same way. Every few hours, new ones are added, giving the impression that there are thousands and thousands of unique articles, each of which has the potential to bring in repeat business. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. In the next 2 steps, we'll talk about 2 more ways you can make money from the rewritten articles. The second one can make you thousands of dollars, and many people all over the world have made tens of thousands of dollars from it. The first one won't make you much money. Textbroker.com is the easiest and least expensive choice. Textbroker.com works with many well-known companies such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. If you write those articles on this platform, you will get paid. You won't have to write those articles yourself because, as I just showed, you can have them written for free with the click of a mouse using a quick Google trick to make money online. Just go to textbroker.com and choose I write content in this part. If you click on the link to the next page, you can learn more about how you can make money by writing articles for Textbroker. Signing up for Textbroker is free, and you can start making money right away by writing articles. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. You can figure out how much money you'll be making now that you've found the payment section and clicked on More Information. You will get $50 for every 1,000 words, as you can see. Also, there are hundreds of articles on Google News that are 1,000 words or longer, so the earnings go up as the length of the article goes up. If your content is longer and better, you will make more money. Let's say that writing 12,000 words can earn you up to $600. The good thing is that you can do it again. Just remember that you won't make as much money this way as you would with the second way to make money with free articles. Click here and choose Free Author Registration to sign up for TextBroker. Make a free account and start making money from your articles. The second way to make money with these free articles is to use the power of independent contractor websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickenGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and so on. There are a lot more freelance sites than just Fiverr, and if you use them, you can make a lot more money. So, if you sell on 10 different freelance sites, you can make 10 times as much money. If you only sell your articles on one website, there's only one way to make money with them. Because of this, the more you do it, the more money you'll make. So, if you search article writing on Fiverr.com, you'll find a list of everyone who makes money by writing simple articles. On the other hand, since they are doing it themselves, they are taking the hard way. So, they have to spend a lot more time and work on writing those articles. Customers dislike being kept waiting as well. After all, no one likes to wait. And because you can send these articles out almost right away, you will be 10 steps ahead of all your competitors and make more money than all of them. All of those people make tens of thousands of dollars just by writing articles. And this is just on Fiverr, which is a very competitive site for freelancers. So, I really think you should also use the other freelancing websites. I also said earlier in the video that there are many alternatives to Fiverr. The more freelancing websites you use, the more money you can make. This method is very easy and doesn't cost anything. The best thing about it is that it works everywhere in the world. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.